In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the failed to login, please try again issue on PUBG Mobile. This problem can be frustrating for players who are trying to enjoy the game but are unable to log in successfully. Luckily, there are a few simple steps you can take to try and resolve it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging into the game. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using cellular data. Also, try resetting your router and the network settings on your device to see if that helps. To reset your device's network settings, scroll down a bit and tap General. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings again. If that didn't fix the issue, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down until you see PUBG Mobile. Tap on it. What you want to do next is toggle on the switch next to the local network option. Then go back to the main settings page, scroll up, and tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. What you want to do next is find PUBG Mobile. Tap on it. Then tap Offload App. When offloading the app, you essentially delete the app but keep its documents and data intact. This process can remove any temporary files or settings that might be causing conflicts with the login process. Then tap Reinstall App. Reinstalling the app ensures that you have a fresh copy of the game without any leftover problematic data. This can often resolve login issues by providing a clean slate for the app to operate correctly and allow you to log in without encountering errors. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.